Good day and welcome to another Wily Wednesday. Now, as you can see, I'm at the allotment. You can't see the house, you can just see my polytunnel and a few things that have been going on. There's that old adage, a little bit of what you fancy does you good. Now, I've turned that adage on its head today and done a little bit of what I didn't fancy. And you know what? It's done me a world of good. I've been prevaricating. That's what I've been doing. We've said many a time that what you need to do sometimes is sit back, have a rest, take time out. Today wasn't one of those days. Today was one of those days where I needed to get on and do something. I've been at my desk this morning and this afternoon, and it was raining outside, and I could have quite easily sat down this afternoon and watched YouTube videos, and maybe I should have done, but I needed to do something else. I needed to get out of the house into a different scenario and crack on with something. And what have I cracked on with today? You can see just behind me by my head, our tomato canes are now up. So I'll give you a little picture of them in a moment. But yeah, sometimes you just need to get on and do things. We've said it before, it might not actually be what you want to do. It may be just exactly what you need to do. And that needing to do something and achieving it is just so worthwhile sometimes. So I'm going to show you the bean cane. No, I'm not. I'm going to show you the tomato canes, the tomato frames now, and also something else that popped up when I was having a mooch around. So here are our tomato frames. Yes, they are pretty tall. What are they? The canes are 2 meters tall and are most probably sunk about 40 centimeters into the ground. So these are sunk, no less than that, mostly 20, 30 centimeters into the ground. And then we brace them across here and down the whole length, and then also down the length. Now what I'm going to do this year is I'm going to use is it the Californian tie, where you tie around here and then you go around your first tomato and loop it round, and then go to the next one, loop it round, next one, loop it round, and then loop it round here. It's called the Californian tie or something like that. And I will also then tie them up vertically as well. I don't expect the tomatoes to get fully to this height, though they did last year. So yeah, that's what I have done today. Tomatoes are here, hardening off. There's also some in the polytunnel. Now, yeah, I didn't really feel like doing this today, but I'm so pleased that I've got it done. I need to strengthen these, tie these all around again. I'll do that tomorrow, but the basic framework is now up. And I do want it to wobble a bit. It's wobbling a bit, it's not wobbling too much. I want it to be able to move in the wind, but I don't want it to obviously fall over. Right, what else did I find? Now coming down here, this is where our strawberries are. And look at that. A strawberry. Yay! I'm not quite sure whether that strawberry will get home. It might get eaten by mice on the way home. But if it doesn't, then Richard and I will have a huge feast of half a strawberry each this evening. So there we are. That's Wily Wednesday. Sometimes getting something done is just as good for you as having that little bit of rest. So pleased I got what I've done today done. It took me about an hour. It was drizzling. It has been wet. My hair has been very, very wet. But you know what? Really pleased with what I've got done. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Please do subscribe if you like what we do and give us a thumbs up. This is a buddlier wanting to get in on the action, blowing by my head. Okay, see you soon. Bye.